Let's go, guys. Team R for UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, Raoul TV Mechanics, back at you again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a 2012, 13 kind of thing, Seat Ibiza, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the front wishbones. If I've done it in the past, right, we're doing it again because this customer insisted we do a video on this car. Okay, he wants me to do a video on this car, so yeah, let's go. Okay, we are going to do both sides. Okay, I've took both sides off. I'm just going to show you on one side, whichever side, both exactly the same. You can't really get it wrong, driver side or passenger side. So my brother's going to crack on with the passenger side. I'm going to do the driver side. Happy days, let's go. First thing, we took the wheel off. I'm not going to show you how to take the wheel off, because if you don't know how to take a wheel off, take it to the garage. Okay, so let the mechanic sort it out. So we're going to send it up. If you are doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe, because last thing you want is the car falling on you. I mean, that is going to hurt a little bit. I'm guessing it will hurt a little bit. Right, so what we do now is we're going to go ahead and take the ball joint off. Okay, and we're going to take this bolt off. And we're going to take this bolt off. As soon as we take them three things off, the wishbone should just fly off. Let's get on it, let's go. Okay, first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this nut off. 18mm on mine. It might be a 19mm on yours, but on this one it's an 18mm, so just bear that in mind. Spanner, so you need a spanner, and take that off. 1 minute. So you guys might be thinking, man, this guy is so strong because he just took it off without even trying. Believe me, it was tight. I got some WD-40 on there. Make sure you get some WD-40 on it, and make sure you crack it off before you whiz it off or whatever, you know. So get a spanner on there. We're going to go ahead and take that off, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've took the nut off. Nut is off. 18mm nut is off. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. We've got an 18mm spanner. I don't think you'd even need a spanner on there. I think it's just a welded on nut. Yeah, I think it's a welded on nut, but just in case, put a spanner there on the inside. 18mm on this side. Okay, 18, that is not 80. All we're going to do is just whiz it off. Happy days. Let's take that one off, and we're going to go ahead and take this one off here, which is a nut and bolt as well. We're looking there, that way. There's an 18mm nut. I don't know if it's welded on nut, I can't really see it, but if it is a welded on nut, happy days. If not, get an 18mm spanner on top, socket, ratchet, extension, or a strong arm, whatever. You got a breaker bar, take it off from this side. Let's take this bad boy off. Okay, so we're going to take this one off. It is a nut and bolt on the back, so 18mm spanner on the top. We've got a socket with a gun on this side. I mean, I had to crack it off. As you can see, it's loose. I had to crack it off with the breaker bar first, and now we'll just take it off with this. Happy days, that comes off. Sorry about the banging in the background. My brother is absolutely annihilating that one. So there we go, that's off. We're gonna give it a hit on the ball joint here. That comes off. Hopefully this wishbone should come straight out. Okay, so we've got the new wishbone here. The key to put the wishbone in any car is the wishbone has to go straight. So as you can see, the hub comes in the way, so we need to move the hub out of the way. Make sure the wishbone is pretty much horizontal kind of thing, and then that way we can just knock it in. I'll try demonstrating. There we go, it's like horizontal kind of thing there. So if I get a hammer now, hammer is pretty much horizontal. So if you've got two people to do it, it'll be a lot easier, because that way another person can move the hub, the disc and everything out of the way, and the other person can just get the bolts, everything in. As you can see there, that's lined up pretty much 99%. I'm going to get that bolt in, then I'm going to knock it a little bit, get the back one in, finish the job off. Let's go. Whoosh. Okay guys, there we have it, all done and dusted. I've also done this side. My brother was supposed to do this side, but I ended up doing it. Okay, so I've done this side as well. Right, this side is done. Happy days, all the bolts are on, tight and everything. Let's get the wheels on and let's finish this off. Alright guys, that's it. That's how we replace the wishbones on a Seat Ibiza 2013 kind of thing. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R for UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic. We'll see you guys next time.